In this video, I will show you how to connect Wix website to Google Search Console. In order to do that, first things first, you need to head over right here to your domain. And then from in there, just click on this URL option, right click on it and click on copy. Once you have copied that, head over right here to your search.google.com and then log in using your account. Then click on this option right here, click on this add property, and then you can put in here URL prefix or domain. Just put that and then from in there click on continue, or you can also put in your URL prefix and click on continue. Now this will verify this property for you. So just wait until it is actually verified. Now as you can see, you just need to upload in here an HTML file for your website. Just download this file right here and then upload it to your actual store. So in order to do that, just go and then upload it to your actual store. And then once you're done, click on this verify and click on done. And as you can see right now, it's now connected right here.